In order to replace the battery to this machine, make sure you turn off your machine and disconnect the power cable. Okay, in this video we're going to talk about the battery of the machine, as all the computers have a little battery on the motherboard, and when the battery runs out, when you turn on your machine, you will notice that your designs maybe disappear from the memory, or some parameters as well will disappear. It will reset the computer basically. The battery actually maintains the memory, so when the battery runs out, the machine will lose all the information, like designs or parameters and that kind of thing. Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the battery. It's a very easy procedure. The first thing that you need to see on your machine is make sure you have the 285 model. How do you do that? Well, on your screen, if you have the horizontal screen, it's okay. If you have the vertical screen, on the back have this sticker right here. You need to confirm if you have the 285 model. 285 models and up will be able to replace the battery. Those motherboards has a coin that looks like a coin battery. So let me show you how to replace the battery. Make sure you disconnect the power cable, and you have to remove this cover right here. You got a screw on top, two on the back, and one right here. You remove those screws, you remove this cover, and then you will see this silver plate right here. So we're going to have 4 screws right here. In order to remove this silver plate, you remove those screws and you will be able to remove this silver plate. Then you will expose the motherboard. So as you can see, the motherboard, here's the battery right there. There's the battery that we need to replace. Very easy to remove. Actually, we got a little clip right here. You press that and the battery will eject. So you just pick the battery out. You can purchase this battery on our website store, or you can go to Walgreens and you can purchase this battery there if you need it right away. Any Walgreens would carry this battery. Actually, it will look like this. So this is the battery that you need, the 2032 battery. And you can purchase it on any Walgreens store for $6 or $7. Or like I said, you can purchase it on our website. Now to install the battery, just place the battery here and push it very carefully, and that's it. That's all you need to do. Then you place back the silver plate, put the 2 screws on top, and then the cover, place the screws back, tighten them up, and it's ready to go. Okay, after you have replaced the battery to your Redline embroidery machine, you will lose all the parameters. So we have to set up basically all the parameters for the Redline machine, and I'm going to show you how to do that. The first thing is probably it will be in Chinese, so we have to go to this icon right here and then change the language. So you're going to put English. Now we're in English, and then we will have to go to this 2-gear icon, and let's check all the parameters. So the first, nothing will be changed here. Right here, design through view, no. In here, TB back stitches, we're gonna put 5. Up to couplers, that's okay. Winding thread wheel, make sure you have the winding thread wheel, otherwise it won't detect your thread breaks. The parameters, everything will be at 0. So I'm going to show you how to set up the parameters in a little while. Let's check the other Jump stitch speed, here shift stitch length, I'm going to change that to 5, and then OK. Startup stitches 5. That's everything, it's okay. Right here, needles, it doesn't show because we got a sticker here, but here it's needles, it says 12. We need to change that to 15. Okay, now to set up your frames, we need to do we need to set the frame origin. So go here and then set frame origin, auto set frame origin. The pantograph will move. Okay, and then exit, and then you are going to be able to set up your frames. Frame pattern 1, clothing A. Okay, we got zeros. So the first thing you need to do is to look for your center. So you're gonna move, we gotta pick a design. You have to put your pantograph on the center. So you're gonna move here until you like the center. So try to locate the center of the pantograph, and then you will copy this numbers right here. 95 minus, 95 minus 45. Okay? So what we're going to do is go here and then frame pattern here, and it's going to be 95 minus 45. That's my center on this machine. And then for the frame A will be 435 millimeters by 285, and it's going to be rectangular, and then OK. And then the second one, it's going to be 95. Here it's minus 95, 45. Now, not all the machines have the same center. You have to locate your center and then copy the center that the machine will display, and then but the hoops will be all the same. So in here is going to be 225, raise 225, rectangular, and that's the 30 by 30. Minus, this is 95 minus 45, and then it will be 180. This is going to be circle. The D minus, it's going to be 95 minus 45. The D, it's 130. Erase 130. Circle. Letter E, it's going to be 495 minus 45, 100. Circle. And the F, minus 95. 95 minus 45, 70. That's 70 millimeters. Circle. And there we go. The rest you can use it for aftermarket hoops. Just measure in millimeters what area that you want for those aftermarket hoops, and you can play. The center will be the same all the time. Okay, to set up the cap will be 2 gears, frame pattern, hat frame, okay, clear 101, 15, 360, and 70. Now I will recommend to check those values when you put the cap frame. Just move the pantograph to see if you like those values. You can always change those. It's going to be rectangular. Okay, that's for cap.